Hi friends, so today I'm going to show you how I make 5 different affordable, natural, homemade cleaning products for only $1.38. I lied in my last video and I said it would cost $1.48 to make all 5 products, but I accidentally included my laundry stain remover, which I already showed you how to make in my natural homemade laundry products video. I'm looking at my phone here because I have my recipes in my Freebie Library, and I actually downloaded my own form and keep it on my phone so that I can refer to my recipes whenever I need to refill. So today we're going to start with my all-purpose cleaner. I have the ingredients listed in the order that you actually put them in the bottles so that it rinses out of the funnel for you. I'm going to actually start with heating up the water in the microwave. So you only need to heat the water this one time when you make it so that it helps everything dissolve, and then you don't have to keep the product heated afterwards. You just need it for the initial time that you mix the product together. I'm going to start with 1 teaspoon of borax. Then I need a half a teaspoon washing soda. 1 teaspoon of dish soap. I like to use the Kirkland brand because it's a biodegradable formula. And then I pour in the warm distilled water. And I made my water a little too warm, so I'm going to add in some room temperature distilled water. And my favorite part about these glass spray bottles, besides the fact that they spray so well, is that you have the measurements on the side. And then I like to add some kind of citrus scent to my all-purpose cleaner. I really love bergamot. I didn't even know what bergamot was until I received this essential oil, but it smells so good. If you're going to use this for any kind of stone surface, you want to leave the citrus essential oil out. And you'll add about 15 drops. And then you give it a good shake whenever you're ready to clean. And then let's make my degreaser. This is also used as a soap scum remover. It's the same formula. For the soap scum remover, you can actually add melaleuca or tea tree essential oil, which kills and prevents mold and mildew. You can also leave it in for a degreaser, but I think the tea tree oil melaleuca smell works better in the bathroom rather than the kitchen. I think the kitchen works better with a more citrusy scent. So you could just leave it out if you're just gonna make a degreaser. But you can use a bottle like this for your soap scum remover, like a tub and tile cleaner, and you can squirt this on your shower and tub. Again, why I love this spray bottle is because the spray nozzle is excellent, and this solution is really thick, and you'll see why as I show you the ingredients. So since this solution is so thick, you need a really good spray nozzle, and this does an even mist over your whole shower. So for my degreaser / soap scum remover, it's a 1-to-1 ratio of dish soap to vinegar. And again, for the shower, you add 15 drops of melaleuca essential oil. So again, you just give this a good shake right before you need to use it. And then let's say you had a really oily mess around your kitchen cooking dinner. What I would do is I would spray the range hood, the backsplash, and the stove. And then while I wash the dishes, I let the degreaser do its work to break down the grease, and then rinse it all off after that. And then follow up with the all-purpose cleaner and follow it up with a good microfiber cloth. And now the most important recipe for us right now especially is this disinfectant. And this starts with a 1/4 cup of white vinegar, which is 2 ounces. And then a quarter cup of rubbing alcohol, which is another 2 ounces. And then 1 1/4 cups of distilled water, which is 10 ounces. So this will go to the 14-ounce line on this bottle. For all of these recipes, you could actually leave the essential oils out, but I just include them because they do have some cleaning properties and a nice scent. If you're going to get one essential oil for your cleaning products, it should be this one because of its disinfecting properties and how it kills mold and mildew and prevents mold and mildew. So I'm going to add 15 drops again. Like when I clean my bathroom, I'll use the all-purpose cleaner first to get all of any kind of residue, like toothpaste or soap or hairspray residue. And then you use the disinfectant afterwards. And to properly use a disinfectant, you have to let it sit for several minutes for it to kill viruses and bacteria. So you're gonna let this sit on your toilet seat, sink, door handles, light switches, remotes, after you prepare any raw meats or seafood, and you let this sit between 4 to 10 minutes, and then you can wipe everything down after that. And then my disinfectant actually works pretty well as a glass cleaner, but the glass cleaner is half the price of the disinfectant, which is already very inexpensive, but why not save more? So because I still have enough in here, I'm actually not going to make this right now on video. This is made of 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and 2 cups of distilled water. And then you could add any kind of citrus essential oil, which would make it smell great, especially because it has vinegar. And now we're going to make my toilet bowl cleaner. I actually repurposed a body wash bottle from Bath & Body Works, and I love it because it has a small spout and it is excellent for squirting up into the toilet room. And the reason why I love this toilet bowl cleaner recipe so much is because it's a thick solution, so when you squirt it around your toilet, it actually sits there and does its work to kill bacteria. So this starts with 1/2 cup baking soda. By the way, those funnels came with these spray bottles, and of course I will have everything linked for you in the description box below. I also got this funnel from Amazon. I like this one because it's a bit wider. There's a wider mouth. This one is good for lots of things, but especially when you have to use a lot of powdered products in a narrow bottle. I'm using a chopstick to get this through. And as I make this, I'm going to leave it in its layers because the hydrogen peroxide will start reacting with the baking soda. So you want to keep them separate until you need this, and then you shake it up really well, squirt it around, and then it'll start to activate the ingredients. And you'll use about maybe 1/4 to 1/3 of this bottle whenever you do clean the toilet. And while it is activated, the bottle will expand a little bit, but it's not going to explode on you. You just release a little pressure whenever you need to shake it up and use it again. So next, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of dish soap. And then I need a 1/4 cup of hydrogen peroxide. And 1/2 cup of distilled water. another 15 drops of Melaleuca essential oil. So there you have it. These are 5 affordable, natural, homemade cleaning products that you can make for yourself for only $1.38. You can use the majority of the rest of these ingredients over the year to make homemade laundry detergent, which costs about $8, and that lasts us about more than a year. I actually have that included in my freebie library as well. So all of these recipes again will be in a download in my freebie library, which is linked in the description box below. In my next video, I'm going to share with you 35 cleaning tasks that you want to do throughout your home over the entire year. So be sure to stay tuned for that, where I show you how to use all of these products and what you need to clean around your house, and especially all those things that you can easily forget. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. You subscribing, liking, and commenting on my video helps my video to move up in the algorithm so other people can find it. Until my next video, happy organizing!